In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio account SID, Auth Token, and phone number step by step. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly locate these essential elements of your Twilio account, which are crucial for connecting any applications or tools you might be working with to Twilio services. Let's begin by logging into your Twilio account. Start by heading over to the Twilio Console overview page. This is the main hub where you'll manage your Twilio projects and access your account settings. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your account credentials to log in. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as this is how Twilio secures your access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate your account SID and Auth Token, which are found in the user settings under the overview section. The account SID is displayed right there on the page. It's a unique identifier for your account, so treat it like you would your account number. Now, to see your Auth Token, you'll need to click the Show button next to it. The Auth Token acts like a password for your account, so keep it confidential. These credentials are your main gateway for connecting any applications to Twilio, enabling your apps to access Twilio's features from within your projects. Next, we'll move on to finding your Twilio phone number. Go back to the Twilio Console and navigate to the phone number section. This is where you can manage all your numbers associated with the account. Click on Manage Numbers and then select Active Numbers. Here you'll find a list of all the Twilio numbers you've purchased. Simply choose the number you want to use for sending messages or making calls. Once you've identified the correct number, make a note of it or copy it to use in your application. Finally, let's talk about security. It's vital to keep your Twilio credentials secure. Never share your Auth Token publicly. Treat it like you would your passwords. Consider using a password manager or secure document to store your account SID, Auth Token, and phone numbers safely. This ensures that your applications will continue to function securely without the risk of unauthorized access or misuse. And that's it! Now you know how to quickly find your Twilio account SID, Auth Token, and phone number. These are the essential components you'll need to integrate Twilio into your projects, whether you're sending messages, making calls, or building complex workflows. Use them carefully and securely when setting up your apps or sending messages. Thanks for watching,